So Syncrun, we're going to redefine our equipment, our main equipment. Each piece of equipment has different parameters that allow the calculation of the available capacity and a method of calculating manufacturing time. Either we use unit speeds or times, for example. There is a standard efficiency attached to the machine, and some other parameters, such as costs, that allow us to compare in Syncrun when running the algorithms, to make comparisons on costs. The machine, of course, has calendars, one or more calendars that are associated. In my example, here at the boring, I have a calendar that I called the regular week. It is possible to change the calendar over the periods of the year by simply adding a different calendar that could apply until a certain date. In this way, each facility also has a list of events that supplant the typical weeks. In this case, for example, we have a closure that is planned, and we also have a maintenance period that is associated with this equipment. So you can define this information directly in Syncrun or import it. The equipment also has the option of having periods of where the efficiency varies. I could add, for example, a period of reduced efficiency for this boring equipment. I could mention that we are at 85% because of training, for example. There's nothing stopping us from having an efficiency rate above 100%. Therefore, it is possible for calculations at the level of the planning module to reserve periods for the equipment. For example, we want to have a 10% reserve all the time for maintenance work, for spare parts, for example, which we don't necessarily want to manage on a piecemeal basis. These interfaces will allow us to access the different information of each of the equipment. So basically, there is certain information that can be imported. Otherwise, we can come directly to Syncrun, make the additions.